Good morning. Yeah, we're fashionably late. We're just running on Bermuda time this morning. So, we want to talk Tesla. So, we got about 14 minutes. I'm stacked for that, should be better. So, yeah, good morning. Yeah, I'm stacked for the next few weeks. And yes, we're just going to do some quick discussions. We're going to cover the news and some key topics. I'll quickly show you what I'm trading, but for the next couple of weeks, I'm quite occupied. So, good morning, Mandela, and here we are.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes, it's a little bit later than normal. Apologies for that.
That's okay.
I didn't realize. I didn't realize you had waited to start, and then yeah. So
Yeah, no,
we're
it's
on. We're on. We're on.
It's all good. It's all good. We're allowed to be late, right? Okay. Today I want to talk Tesla. As you can see, I got that famous picture of Musk where he says, go, inspiring words to Disney. Go find yourself. So, what's been happening with Tesla, Mandela? Let's have a quick talk about
that. Sure. So, there was a Tesla trade that we did over the last few days, and pretty much from when they announced earnings, it's been on a rip-roaring ride higher. Yesterday and Tuesday kind of just started to reverse a little bit, but I'm going to pull up a chart, and I'm going to share my screen as well so everybody can see. So I know, Andrew, you do mainly gold, and more recently you've been doing NASDAQ, but we also do other things as well. So this Tesla trade is kind of like, I don't want to say a one-off, but something that others can incorporate as well. So let's see. Can you see my screen, Andrew?
Yeah, all good. You're in the driving seat.
Okay.
So
okay, here we go. So let's see. Okay, so when we go back to more or less October 21st, that was the day before Tesla announced earnings. They had their robo-taxi event on October the 10th, and that was not as well received by the stock, so it actually dropped after the robo-taxi event. And then right after earnings on October the 22nd, October 23rd, that's when the fun started. So we ended up getting some call options before the earnings announcement, and we ended up exiting them yesterday before the close. And the thinking behind it was that Tesla's earnings would do well, and then there was also some, I guess, unknowns around the election. But if the election did go well, we did think that Tesla would also perform well. And so we got in here, we got earnings, which was nice, and held through that. A bit of some realizing of profits, bit of sideways movement after earnings, and then election gave us a nice little step up higher, and then we got out yesterday before we gave back too much of our unrealized profits.
yeah, no, it's a great trade.
Thank you.
So yeah, bit of a pullback now on Tesla, but yeah, congrats on that. This fantastic move up, and yeah, I'm just going to give my opinion on Tesla. So this is not financial advice, but that election didn't come for free. All that, I'd say, support on X and helping Trump on the election trail. Yeah, I believe Musk does have that vision, same as what Trump got, but he was a Democrat, right? And he swapped sides, and he made the right noise. He did say, he wants to end the woke mind virus, etc., because it affected one of his kids. But he is a businessman. He's not the richest person in the world for no reason, and I can imagine that there's some caveats in with Trump. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised to see Tesla stock go higher again over the next 2 years. The dollar's definitely going to get stronger. I think, we are going to see that, especially after January when Trump gets sworn in. And I can imagine Tesla's going to have the largest share of the EV market in the US. He's probably got it already, but I wouldn't be surprised to see, what's the word I'm looking for? Higher taxes on Chinese imports, especially of EVs. Wouldn't be surprised to see Tesla, getting a price freeze as well on all the EVs and technology. I did see yesterday he's pushing through solar. Yeah, so he's already launched some trials in Australia. So wouldn't be surprised if we see Tesla solar for your house. I think that's coming next, and I think he's gonna have the lion's share of the market in the US. The US are looking to do a trade deal with the UK. So we could see tariffs on Chinese imports, especially EVs, which will open up the market to Tesla. So, call me cynical, but he didn't do everything from the goodness of his heart, maybe 80, 90%, but the rest is going to be business related. And if they want to make America great again, it's going to be American cars or cars that's made with a US badge like Tesla. So I am expecting Tesla to have a good run over the next few years. I also think it wouldn't be surprised if SpaceX gets more government funding taken from NASA as well. So he is on a mission to get us to Mars. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised that he's got some gentleman's agreement already with Trump and the Trump administration. So I can see Tesla having a good year. So as always, we can expect a pullback, we can expect a retest of price, and I think it's going to go higher in the next 2 years. So if I was to trade Tesla, I'd be looking to go long at the moment. But that's my opinion on it. I just think you don't get something for nothing, and he was so heavily involved with the Republicans. There must be something in it for him.
Yeah, no, you're right. I'm definitely agreeing in the sense that this is not the end of Tesla by any means. I think, like you said, the future looks rosy and bright after the election. It's just, I think, a matter of where you get in, and also, as we talk about time and time again, it's about your time frame. So if you are willing to kind of hold on to Tesla for the next few years, I do think you'll be rewarded. And who knows what happens between now and the time Trump is sworn in, and also what happens after that. There could be some pullbacks for traders to pile up the Tesla shares, but the rationale makes sense. I saw some days I would see more Elon Musk, and maybe it was because I was on his platform, Twitter, but I would see more Elon Musk promoting Trump than I saw Trump promoting Trump.
Yeah, so Trump's using, he set up his own app after they banned him on X last time. Even though he was like a sitting president, they removed him from social media, which, that just shows you a bias, right? I don't think that's right.
That was before Elon, right?
Yeah,
bought it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so he got banned from Twitter, and he set up his own app called Truth Social. So I know he's tweeting or writing on there quite regular. But yeah, you're right. Yeah. I actually follow both, and yeah, Musk is definitely the busier on his own platform.
Yeah, I agree. But yeah, I think with this particular trade, happy that we took it and we got in and got out. Lessons learned, maybe to protect some of that unrealized profit a little bit better. But I think there's always going to be some lessons out of every trade, and you just have to move on to the next one.
Yeah, definitely. Should we have I got about 5 minutes, and can you control the stage? Because I do need to leave at 7. So could you end the
Yeah,
stream?
sure. No, I can drop off as well at 7. But yes, I can control it if needed. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Right. So yeah, I took a trade on the Nasdaq yesterday. For me, I won't trade it again. It moves too quick. But we did have a great trade out of the Asian breakout yesterday. But then it snapped back pretty quick. But I did stream that trade on our channel yesterday. So if you want to have a look back, it's only about 14 minutes long. You could have a look at the trade and the rationale behind it. But I'm quite interested in Bitcoin this morning.
Okay, I'm just taking a quick look at Nasdaq here. Yeah, that's why I don't trade it. It's I prefer S&P a bit.
Yeah, me too. So I was looking at the S&P yesterday. I was doing a little bit of back testing or a bit of research, and yes, S&P seems to move better. So if I was to trade, I'd probably go over to the S&P. But I do like to trade gold. Just get better and more stable moves.
Yeah. Let's have a look quickly at gold here. There we go. So gold looks like it's moving up off the lows a bit. I don't know what you're thinking with gold, Andrew, but I haven't actually updated the Asian range for today. We can take that off. Yeah,
I've actually got a traded on gold. I've actually gotten short, but we're only talking 40 ticks. So because I'm trading on the M5 or M15, I'm just taking those small moves, those small pullbacks, probably on the grander scheme. I haven't really looked. I can have a quick look now. So at the moment, gold's trading within the high and the low. So I wouldn't be looking to take any position at the moment.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, but yesterday was fantastic. If you got in once it broke the Asian low, you would have taken about. Let me have a quick look. About 140, 150 ticks. So that would have been a tremendous trade. But I'm not looking to trade on those time frames. So yeah, gold is just trading in that range at the moment. So yeah, I'd be waiting for the breakout either side.
Yeah, but that's a good look. Yeah, that's a good strategy.
Yeah, we've tested that Asian high. Seem to be pulling back. So we could see a retest of the Asian low before we get a clear direction.
Yeah, is this big enough? Yeah,
that's fine.
Okay, just making sure. Okay. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so with gold, I have got a short position, but yeah, we're only talking 40 ticks. So I'm trading within that range at the moment.
Yeah, so that could work out as well. If you have the go position and you always have your stop loss in. Did you trade yesterday after?
Just that.
No, just the Nasdaq. Yeah.
Just that Nasdaq. Yeah. So yes, this morning I have got a trade in on gold, and I'm just sitting at the entry price at the moment.
Okay. And then you mentioned Bitcoin. I did want to just touch on the news as well. There's a big news event at 1:30 today.
Okay.
Did you want to look at Bitcoin? Oh, there we go. Fingers always on the trigger. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Let's do this one. So today we did touch on it yesterday. But today we get core CPI month over month, and CPI year over year at 1:30 London. So that's going to be 8:30 for those of you over on the East Coast of the US, and 9:30 for those of you back in Bermuda. This is probably the biggest news for the week, and it's going to tell us what inflation has done and what inflation is doing. Is it coming down or going? Looks like the expected amount is for it to increase from last month, 2.4% to 2.6%. So it'll be interesting to see what happens at 1:30, Andrew. I'll be watching from the sidelines probably.
Yeah, the same here. Hopefully I'll be out of my trade by then and just getting on with the day.
Yeah.
So we cover.
That's it.
We'll cover Bitcoin quickly. Then I do need to jump off.
Yeah, of course. This one here. We did hit 90,000 rather. That was last night, just before US markets closed. There we go. Just ticked it.
We've been waiting for that.
Good thing we didn't hold our breath, because I think we were here watching it, or we were watching it earlier in the day. That's what it was. Yeah, so we've done it. What's your thoughts of Bitcoin here? We've pulled back a bit from that, I guess, new all-time high.
So, my thoughts on Bitcoin is, first of all, congratulations to everyone that's been holding, everyone that bought on the pullback. Like I said yesterday, I think it's well-deserved. What I would say is, don't be greedy. Take some partial profits, right? Take some profits, enjoy yourself, treat yourself, and I would get your a profitable stop or profitable sellout for sure. At the moment, we're just seeing some election hype. That's pushed the price up, obviously, with what Trump said about promoting crypto, etc. So around this price, I don't think it's the time to be buying. Right? Don't go buying at all-time highs. That's crazy. There will be a lot of new money coming in, some liquidity, and the institutes or the experienced traders will be looking to. You are the liquidity, right? They're looking to take your money. So just be careful. If you buy in to hold, I think that's fine. I think that's a great idea, good plan. Just sit on it, and if it goes, it goes. If it goes to the moon, fantastic. But if you are trading Bitcoin, just get yourself into a profitable stop. Treat yourself, reward yourself. Right? You've waited long enough. You've worked hard enough. So enjoy it. So for myself, I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin get a pullback going into next year. I think we're going to see a strong dollar. So definitely for gold and potentially Bitcoin, we could see the price pushing down. So we're at all-time highs. So that's not the time to be buying. That's where inexperienced traders or inexperienced money rush in, thinking they're missing the next gold rush, right? So just be careful. And that's it on Bitcoin. So all I can say to everyone that's holding is massive congratulations. Enjoy it. But I would take a little profit, take yourself out for a meal, have a glass of wine.
Yeah. There you go. That sounds like a good night.
Raise a glass to yourself and, congratulate yourself. You deserve it. But I'd be very careful at the moment of jumping into Bitcoin.
Yeah, well said. I agree. I think the risk to reward ratio is definitely not in your favor up here. I also look at like headlines and news, and it's everywhere. Bitcoin 90,000, Bitcoin to 10 to 100,000.
Yeah, it's get all the hype, right? And
that makes me feel uneasy.
The only thing I will say is welcome back to the Crypto Bros. They've been quiet for the last year or so. So it's great to see my stream and WhatsApp lit up with all the happiness.
Yeah.
So enjoy it while it lasts. Make the most of it. Promote it. Do what you need to do. But if you new money, I stay away at this price. Maybe put a buy limit in. Just in case it does move. Right. You can hedge either side of the market, right? And that's what we'd be doing. I would be interested in a buy around that 61.8 fib level you got marked in.
Yep, looks like it was support back in on Tuesday, yesterday.
Yeah. So I'd be watching that price, and if we what's the best word? If we respect that support, it could be a nice buying opportunity. But if we break that support and close below it, could be looking to short Bitcoin. But for myself, I don't trade Bitcoin, but I would be super cautious at all-time highs.
Yeah. Well said, Andrew. Well said. We got to keep an eye on this. I think we should incorporate this into the show's agenda.
Yeah, I think tomorrow
along with the other ones. Yeah.
I think tomorrow we'll cover Bitcoin a little bit more, right? I think we'll run through some of the Bitcoin news tomorrow.
Yeah.
And we'll jump on at 6:30 and we'll just concentrate on Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm going to jump off.
I'm going to jump with you.
Yeah. So. Yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Happy trading. Get those stops in. Cover your positions. Be safe, and we'll see you all tomorrow morning.
Thank you.